somebody gonna jump?
Wave at them so that they'll get them to wave back.
I want them to concentrate on what they're doing, not on... Oh, that's a little outfit. I didn't realize that was so far out over the water. Oh my God.
Okay, here we go. Here's Casey.
Oh, Corey.
Oh, sorry, Corey.
Oh, man!
Here's JJ. Okay, come on, Casey. Please be careful, Casey.
Unbelievable. That is pretty high. Hey, Corey. Corey.
They can't hear. The waterfall's way too loud. Hey, Jack!